Hello dear students, today we are going to start a new point of lesson numbers first, that is practice set 1.1. Okay, in the previous video we completed up to theoretical part. In that theoretical part we take first definition of set. Okay, that is there are two words are important, clearly and definitely. Set a collection of an element. Okay, in that there letters are represented. Set is denoted as capital letter A, B, C, D up to Z. Then element are shown by the letter of small letter A, B, C, D. There are two way we have to write the set of element. Set, that is in the first one listing method or roster form. Second one set builder form. Okay, or rule method. Okay, next one we have to take the practice set 1.1, depend on that theoretical parts. So first example, write the following set in roster form. First question is there, that is roster form. Now roster form is what, Ray? Simple one. Roster form is listing method. We write in the form of listing method. First one, set of even natural number. Set of even natural numbers. Okay, set of even natural numbers. So we have to write the set of even natural number. So first we take name, first we take any A, B, C, D up to infinite. Set of even natural numbers. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite. But in that natural set, there are some even number and some odd numbers are there. So we write only even number. So even number start from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 up to infinite, because even natural numbers, there is no condition is given. Okay, so set of even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 up to infinite. Next one, okay, I not write here. Set of even prime number. Set of even prime number between 1 to 50. So first of all, prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, then 13, 17, 19, then 23 up to so on, infinite numbers are there. But in that prime number there are some natural, we have to write the even prime number. There is only single even prime number is there. Okay, which one is there? 2. 2 is the only even prime number, remaining are odd prime numbers are there. Okay, next one we have to take third one, set of negative integers. Okay, we give me the 2 second only. Okay, sorry for disturbance. Okay, now let's see question example number 3. Set of negative integers. Now integers, in that integers 0, positive integer and negative integers are there. So we have to write only negative integer. Suppose we take C, negative integer, that is -1, -2, -3, -4 up to infinite. Okay, so negative integers are -1, -2, -3, -4 up to infinite. Positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. Let's see next one, 7 basic sound of sargam. Okay, 7 basic sound of sargam. Everyone know that sound 7, that is set D is equal to sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, and last one ni. We not write repeated again sa, because 7 are sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. Okay, that much only enough. Just only check here that PA is there or PHA is there. Okay, let's see next one. Write the following symbolic statement. Okay, so we take next one. So write it. Then we take here example number 2. Okay, question number 2. We write in the form of statement in word. First one, 4/3 is a, okay, that symbol is used for is an element, that is 4/3 is an element of set Q. Okay, in the set of Q we take that is integer, rational number. Okay, set Q, but it is enough. 4/3 is an element of set Q. Next one, second one, -2. Okay, that symbol, okay, that symbol represented as not an element, therefore -2 is not an element of set n, or you take a natural number. N means set of natural numbers. And last one p. Okay, set p. Third one, p is a set of p such that p is an odd number. Okay, we write only odd numbers are there. So odd numbers are, that is p is equal to, okay, so we write in the form of wording, na, not in a listing method. So how to write set p? Set p, first we write name of set, that is set p is the set of all p. Okay, set p is the set of all p. Here in that first p is capital, next letter is p is small. Okay, all p, but such that, okay, that vertical line is called as such that p is an odd number. Okay, p is an odd number. Set p is the set of all p. Okay, that p we write here is the set of all p. Okay, set p, it is the name of letter set, and such that, okay, that vertical line is called as such that, and p is an odd number. Next one is there, question number 3. Let's see, write any two set, listing method and by rule method. You have to write yourself. Okay, it is your homework. Next one, write the following set using listing method. Same one. Okay, in listing method or roster form, both are same. So first one we take question number 4 now. Question number 4, in that question number 4 we take first one, all month in the Indian solar year. Okay, that is all Indian, that is not in English, that is January, February, we not take here. We take Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshtha, Ashadha, Shravana. Okay, you have to write yourself. Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshtha, Ashadha, Shravana, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Margashish, Pausha, Magha. Okay, so you write all the 12 months are there. Second one, okay, next one is the later in the word complement. Okay, so we write complements, that is first I write here spelling. Okay, we write the complement. First we write C, then O, M, P, L, E. Now we not take M because it is already done. M is there, E already done. No, E is already taken, N is not there. That is C, O, M, P, L, E, N, T. Next one, set of human sensory organ. Which are they? Simple one, nose, ear, tongue, skin and eyes. Okay, you have to write here 5 sensory organs are there, nose, ear, then skin, tongue. Okay, it is not necessary, you have to write this by sequence. So, and last one is there eye. Next one, question number 4 is there, set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. 1 to 20 we write the all prime numbers. So simple one, prime numbers. So first we take the, suppose A is equal to, prime numbers are 2, first number is 2, then 3, 5, 7, we not take 9, 9 is odd number, not prime number, then 11, 13, 17 and last one 19. Okay, these are the prime number in between 1 to 20. Next one, name of continent of the world, name of the continent of the world. There are 7 continents, Asia, Africa. Okay, so you have to write that 7 name of continent name, okay, in curly bracket. So next one, question number 5, you have to take question number 5 here. Okay, let's see question number 5. There is first one, A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, okay, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. Okay, so first we write in simplest form, that is A is equal to, when we observe the all number, we clearly indicate that these all numbers are perfect square number. That is, it is a square of 1, 4 is a square of 2, 9 is a square of 3, okay, 16 is a square of 4, up to 100 is a square of 10. Okay, so how to write? That is, set A is a set of all, set A is a set of all x such that, okay, that such that value of x is equal to n square. Value of x is n square, but that n, okay, that n are natural numbers, that is n is belongs to natural number, but value of n is equal to or less than 10. Value of 10 x n, that value of n means 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, that is value of n that is up to 10 is there, that's why it is less than or is equal to 10. So second one, maybe it is same like that. B is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, okay, up to 48. So first one we write in the simple form, that is B is equal to 6 multiplied by 1, then here 6 multiplied by 2. It is not necessary, you have to write this step. 6 multiplied by 2, 6 multiplied by 3, 6 multiplied by 4 up to 6 multiplied by 8 is there. Okay, so 6 is common, 1, 2, 3, 4 are only changes are there, so we write here by using same. Set B is a set of all x such that x is equal to 6n. Okay, we take n square because here 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, here 1 multiply by 6, 2 multiply by 6, 3 multiply by 6, that is 6n, but that n is belongs to all natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 are natural numbers. Okay, and value of n is less than equal to 8 is there, less than or is equal to 8 is there. Okay, next one, question number C. Okay, write it. Okay, then we write question number 6 here. Okay, let's see question number 6. SMILE. Okay, so when you take the read it without comma, SMILE, it is a smile. Okay, so set C is a set of C x such that, okay, x such that, or y, okay, y is a letter of smile, okay, of the word or in the word, okay, of letter, set is A in the letter smile, Next one, same as it is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, it is orally. You take Z is a such that Z is a days, okay, days of week, and last one AET, x is equal to AET. Okay, when you take AET, there is one number, okay, AET is there na, okay, so there is first is EAT, word is form, also TEA, so we write two sets. First one, x, set x is a set of all Z, okay, we take any Z, that such that Z is a letter in the word eat, or next line or another set, Z is a Z such that Z is a letter of letter T. Okay, so this way we have to complete our practice set 1.1. Okay, it is easy practice set, it is basic. There are only depends on two one, that is listing method or roster form, okay, and rule method. Okay, this way we have to complete our practice set 1.1. in next video we have to take next point. Okay, it is simple point also, types of set. So see you tomorrow, have a good day, thank you.